Here's how to zip a folder in the Mac terminal. The basic syntax you need to use to zip a folder in the Mac terminal is as follows. Now let me explain. Zip is the actual command. -R stands for recursive, meaning it includes all subdirectories and files within the folder. Archive_name.zip is the name you want for the zipped file. And folder_name is the name of the folder you want to zip. Let me show you now how this looks in practice. First, in the terminal, that you're actually in the directory where the folder is that you would like to zip. So in our case here, the folder that we would like to zip is in this directory right here. Next, when you type ls on your keyboard and then hit enter, you can see all the files and folders that are contained within this directory. So like that, you can easily verify if you are indeed in the right directory. Now, in our case here, we would like to zip this folder called text folder 3. So with the basic command in mind that I gave you earlier on, here's how we do it. We write zip -R, then the name you want for the zipped file, and finally the name of the folder you want to zip, which in our case is test folder 3. If the name of the folder you actually want to zip contains any spaces, then you have to put quotation marks around it in order for it to work. So in our case, test folder 3 is indeed written like this, so we have to put quotation marks around it. So we simply write quotation mark, test folder 3, quotation mark, and then we hit enter. And just like that, as you can see here, our zippy.zip zip file has been created. And that's it guys. This is how you zip a folder in the Mac terminal. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more terminal tutorials.